Hey guys, today I have a quick review of this portable ice maker. We're going to be doing some testing, let you guys know my thoughts. I'm going to make some ice cubes and see, is it really worth your money? Let's get into it. So the size of this ice maker is more of a countertop type ice maker. It's definitely not massive by any means, but it's also pretty decent size. Definitely bigger than, let's say, a toaster. So this is going to make square ice cubes for kind of cocktails or specialty drinks, that sort of thing. And this has a couple different modes. It can make clear ice cubes. It can make just standard ice cubes. And by the end of this video, it actually does a pretty good job of making those ice cubes. The unboxing process was nice and easy. No issues there. Plug it right in and you're greeted with a couple buttons and a little LCD display screen. So let's first get this peeled off, and we can see that inside we have a standard sort of fridge door and a little add water sticker of the area that you actually add water to. In the bottom left there, you have an orange little BB thing that shows your water level, which I thought was a pretty nice little feature. Instead of just having a standard little water level, it's got a floating orange BB in there so we can see it from a distance. I got it about halfway filled, and this was actually enough water to totally fill it up with ice cubes. So it doesn't require a ton of water. Simple as just hitting ice here, and it's going to start to flash, going to start to make some noise. You can turn on the LED light in there and actually see it kind of dropping ice in. That's pretty cool. And for the standard ice mode, it's going to be about 30 minutes. And I wanted to do a quick sound test for you guys. This thing is not quiet, but definitely not loud. It's coming in at about 50 decibels. Up close is obviously going to be a little louder, and a little further back, like I said, around 45 to 50. This is quieter than a dehumidifier for reference. So this is 2 minutes in. There's a little bit of leakage into the tray, which I thought was interesting. Not sure if that's supposed to be there, but here we go, and we have 6 ice cubes have already been made. And we'll go ahead and pull those out and kind of see the quality there, and look at the water indicator, not even halfway from where we put it. So it really doesn't require a ton of water to make these things. Now they were stuck together. That's a little bit of a downside here. I went ahead and just broke them on the counter so I could show you guys. And I did do the standard mode. So you can see this is kind of what a standard frosted ice cube would look like. It has that little hole in the center. But then a couple of them were actually pretty clear. So this is what I imagine the clear ice cubes would look at. But in general, all of them were pretty good. They are relatively square, definitely have some rounded corners, and I would not say a perfect square by any means, but still go absolutely great in a drink. I put this in a old fashioned here, and when you're done or ready to clean it, there is a little drain pipe on the bottom. Pop that open over the sink, and the entire reservoir is going to drain, which you want to make sure you do that every time. So thanks for watching, guys. I will have links for this down below. Overall, I had a very good experience with this ice maker. It is a little on the pricey side, but if you're drinking a lot of cocktails, having a lot of people over for parties, that sort of thing, then this could be right up your alley. And I'll make sure I leave the absolute latest model and potentially the best deal on my link down below. Thanks for watching Modern Reviews.